Dear students, I hope you all are fine. So, welcome to our online teaching. So, students, now in today's lecture, we will discuss about some summary part of the chapter because in the previous lecture, the chapters we have completed. So, now today we will discuss, okay, today we will discuss some questions. So, यहाँ पे चैप्टर में जितने क्वेश्चन हमने किए थे, यहाँ पे एक एक टाइप के क्वेश्चन हम यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके, और उसी एक एक टाइप क्वेश्चंस मैं आपको होमवर्क दूंगा दैट यू हैव टू सॉल्व एंड प्रैक्टिस. क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट विद अवर समरी पार्ट. सो वी कैन से चैप्टर 13 रिवीजन पार्ट. क्लियर? सो इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, that multiplication तो स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे मैंने आपको क्वेश्चन करवाया था 73 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 58. तो क्लियर ना, इजी था. सो यहाँ पे जो क्वेश्चन है, दिस क्वेश्चन, ओके, मैंने आपको कैसे बताया था, दिस क्वेश्चन कैन बी सॉल्व इन दिस वे. सो 73 कैन बी रिटन एज 70 प्लस 3 and 58. 58 can be written as 50 plus 8. Clear? Now we will prepare some box. Box we will prepare, and how to prepare and how many boxes will be prepared, that you are knowing. ये आपको पता है. Okay? Now 70 plus 3. So here we will write 70, and here we will write 3, and in this side we will write 50 plus 8. So 50 and 8. So see students, so in this box we have to write 70 multiplied by 50. So yes, 70 multiplied by 50 and 3 multiplied by 50, and in this box we will write 70 multiplied by 8. 70 multiplied by 8, and in this box we will write 3 multiplied by 8. Now I think, okay, the remaining part you can solve. 7 5 are 35. 3 5 are 15. 7 8 are 56. 3 8 are 24. So correct. So now just add all these values. So we will write now 3,500. So we will write, okay, so 3,500 plus 150 plus 560 plus 24. So after adding all this value, you will get answer 4234. So this is our answer. Clear? So 3500 plus 560 plus 150 plus 24. The answer will be 4234. So clear students? I hope now these questions you can solve. आपको बहुत अच्छे से ये समझ में आ गया होगा. Clear? Okay. Now one more question we will solve. See, ये सारे क्वेश्चन बहुत इजी हैं. सिर्फ आपको एक बार इसका जो मेथड है, that method only you have to remember. Okay, just on the method you have to remember. Otherwise, chapter is very easy. One more question we will take. 238. Okay. We will take one 3-digit number. 2-digit we have completed. Now we will take one 3-digit number. So 365 multiplied by 165. So this is 3-digit number. Now, so 365. This number can be written as 300 plus 60 plus 5, and this number 165 can be written as 100 plus 60 plus 5. Clear? Now prepare one box this way. Clear? So 365. So here we will write 365, and in this side we will write 160 then 5. 160 then 5. Then again just follow the same method. Here we will write 300 multiplied by 100. So 300 multiplied by 100, and here we will write 60 multiplied by 100, and here we will write 5 multiplied by 100. In this box we will write 300 multiplied by 60. So 300 multiplied by 60, 60 multiplied by 60. So 60 multiplied by 60. In this box we will write 5 multiplied by 60, and in this box 30 multiplied by 5. Sorry, 300 multiplied by 5, and here 60 multiplied by 5, and here we will write 5 multiplied by 5. Now after this just multiply all the values. You will get 30,000. Here you will get 6,000. See कैसे? Okay, anything will be multiplied with 1. So 6 1 is 6, 1 2 3. So 30. Okay. So here we will write 500. 3 6 are 18. So 000. 6 6 are 36. Now 5 6 are 30. Now 5 6 are 15. And here 5 6 are 30. That is 300. And 5 5 are 25. Now you can check. Okay. 30,000, 6,000, 500, 18,000, 3,600, 300, 1500, 300 plus 25. Now students, after this one, just add all these values. If we will add all these values, add all this number. Which one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So after adding all these numbers, so the answer will be 60,225. Clear? So if you will add this number, so if you will add this number, so the answer will be 60,225. So clear students? Now so the concept is very easy. Okay, very good. So now the first part we have completed. Now we will go for the second part. Now again, one more question. Okay, again is the multiplication. Okay, multiplication or multiply with one more method. Now 67 multiply by 18. So मैंने आपको कैसे सिखाया था? So 67 multiplied by 18. So here we will write 10 plus 8. Clear? क्यों? ये क्या है? 18 तो 10 plus 8. So now here we will write 67 multiplied by 10. So 67 multiplied by 10. And here we will write 67 multiplied by 8. 67 multiplied by 8. And here we will write the addition part. Clear? So 67 multiplied by 10. So the answer will be 670. Clear? And 67 multiplied by 8. So the answer will be 536. Clear? Now add this value. 6, 7 plus 3, 10. So 0, 1 carry. So 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. So the answer will be 1206. Clear? The answer will be 1206. So I think this is completed. Okay, काफी easy है ना? चलो, one more. students, here we are going okay fast because this methods already we have completed and we have covered. Clear? Now, so one more, that will be the same question, but we can take 563. 563 multiply by 64. Again, same method. So what we will write? 563 multiply by 64. So here what we will write? 60 plus 4. And first part here 563 multiply by 60. So 563 multiply by 60. And here 563 multiply by 4. So 563 multiply by 4. And here the addition. So 563 multiplied by 60. That addition you have to perform. So 333 780. So students, already the questions I have completed, but you have to just multiply this. Then 563 multiplied by 4. So the answer will be 2252. Clear? So after adding all this value, so here 2, 8 plus 5. Okay, 13. So 3, 1. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. So 0, 1. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. And this 3 will be as it is. So the answer will be 36,032. So clear? So I think ये आपको समझ में आ गया. Okay? Now, one simple division we will perform. Division. See, the first question we will take, that will be the 9872. So first question. So in division we will perform only one question. 9872 will be divided by 8. Clear? Now, so 9872 will be divided by 8. See, so here first one digit we can take. So 8 ones are 8. So here we will take 1 because 9 minus 8, the answer will be 1. So how many digits are there? 3. So here we will take 30. Clear? Now after this one, take 8 over here. So 8, here we will take plus 8, 2s are 16. So answer will be 18 minus 16, so 2. So after 8, how many digits? 2. So here we will take 2 0. Now after this, take 7. So here will be plus 8 1 8, 8 2 16, 8 3 24. So 8 3s are 24. So 27 minus 24. So the answer will be 3. So after 7, how many digits? Only 1. Here we will take 1 0. Now take these 2 down. So okay, then plus here 8. Okay, sorry, this value we have to take na 2. So 8 के डिफरेंस में 32 आता है. Yes, 8 1 8, 8 2 16, 8 3 24, 8 4 32. Now 32 minus 32, so the answer will be 0. मैंने आपको स्टूडेंट पहले ही बताया था कि हियर यहाँ पे जो डिजिट होगा वो क्या होगा, वो डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में जाएगा. सी 1 2 3 4 4 डिजिट, 1 2 3 3 डिजिट, then 2, then 1. So the answer will be, okay, we have to just plus this. So if we will add this, okay, we will add this number. So the answer will be 1 2 3 4. So I hope now the question is very clear to you. Okay, so after this, one more question. Okay, I am just giving you right now one more question which you can solve. That will be the 672 multiplied by 21. So 672 divided by 21. It's a division. So 672. Okay, 672 divided by 21. So now this we have completed now. One more question. Remainder and quotient. So this also we have completed. Clear? Now one more. Remainder and quotient. मैंने आपको बताया था कि रिमाइंडर और क्वाड्रेंट क्या होता है. क्लियर? फॉर एग्जाम्पल 976 is divided by 16. So now here we have to read 16 table. 16 1 16. Okay, 16 is 32, 16 is 48, 60 is 64. Okay, 16 5 is 80, 16 6 is 96. So the answer will be 0, 1, and this. Okay, 6 will be as it is. So 16 1 16. The answer will be 0 0. But see this is the quadrant. Okay, this will be the quadrant, and this number will be the remainder. चलो, so I hope ये आपको यहाँ पे समझ में आ गया. क्लियर? क्वेश्चन बहुत इजी है. वन मोर मैं आपको बताता हूँ. वन मोर क्वेश्चन विल टेक. $447 is divided by 13. So ये क्वेश्चन है और इसमें हमें क्या पूछा है? फाइंड आउट द रिमाइंडर एंड क्वाड्रेंट. सो 13 was 13, then 13 table you have to read. 32 is 26, 13 3 is 39. Clear? So if we will divide the 44 minus 39, okay, we will do. Okay, we can take this also. Okay, क्योंकि 4 में से 9 तो डिवाइड होगा नहीं, so we will take 4 as a 40 and 40 minus 9. So the answer will be 5, and this 4 we will take as a 3. So 3 minus 3, the answer will be 0. Now take 7 down. So after this, again 13 is 13, 13 is 26, 13 is 39. Okay, 13 4 is 52. Okay, so 13 3 is 39. हमें कहाँ जाना है? 57 तक. ओके, 57 तो नहीं आएगा. ओके, 52 आएगा. तो वी विल टेक 52. सो 13 4 जा 52. तो 52 हमें माइनस करना कहाँ से? 57 में से. 7 minus 2 5. 5 minus 5 0. So here the first of all we will write quadrant. So this will be the quadrant. So Q will be 34 and R will be 05. So clear students? I hope कि ये क्वेश्चन आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. Clear? Okay. So division also we have done. Okay. So now one more question मैं आपको करवा दूं जो हमने सवाल का क्वेश्चन में किया था. Now solve the question. A question, or we can write solve the problem. Okay. Now one, the same as it is from the textbook only we are taking. 174 workers are working in a factory if each worker gets bonus of rupees 567, then what the total amount required to distribute bonus to all workers. So now, okay, the same type of questions before this one we have completed. See, 174 workers are working in a factory. So we will write, okay, total number of workers are there 174, and see each means हर एक single. Okay, so one worker get 567 as a bonus. So we have to calculate the total amount for the 174 worker. So this we are not knowing, but instead of question mark we will take X. Clear? Now again, so this type of questions we have completed in the first chapter. So now just cross multiply this. So X will be multiplied with 1. So if X will be multiplied with 1, so the answer will be X. And 174 multiplied by, okay, 174 multiplied by 567. So 174 multiplied by 567. So after multiplying this value, 174 multiplied by 567. So the answer will be 98,658 rupees. So this much amount, okay, they required to distribute a bonus of rupees 567 to each worker. So students, I hope कि यहाँ पे जो भी क्वेश्चन हमने किए आपको ये समझ में आ गया होगा. सी, ये था क्या, दिस वाज द रिवीजन पार्ट. ये क्या था? ओके, दिस वाज द रिवीजन पार्ट. इसके पहले जो चैप्टर में जितने भी वीडियोस प्रिपेयर किए थे, तो पूरे वीडियोस का ये कॉम्बिनेशन है. सो आई होप कि आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. सो स्टूडेंट्स, जय हिंद एंड कीप लर्निंग. Students, here now the chapter number 13 is completed.